Today I have discovered that Harry Potter is secretly evil because when he was young, about the start of the story, he's the first class and it's a dangerous snake art, serpent art, and it almost bites that level. What if that happened? That's dangerous. In ending fifth book, Prisoner of Azkaban, he knocks over all of Dumbledore's precious stuff. That was expensive. I don't care how angry he was. I don't know how hard his life was. I don't fucking care. Yeah, Harry Potter received and he dropped nuclear bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Yeah, without any advertising. That's evil. That's evil. I know that's evil. And he secretly led the Nazi army into the fucking yeah, he was the leader of the Nazis, so yeah, he's evil. Yeah, Harry Potter is evil.